Hello everyone, I'm Jackie from ThinkMo. The topic we share today is what are types of network device interface. When we are working on a project, we need to connect the device. So we have to figure out what are interface of device. The first and most common type is called ePort. It's 100 meg of interface. The second one is GPort. It's 1000 meg. The third one is called XG. It's what we call 10 gigabit ports. Larger manufacturers no longer produce ePort. The smallest one is GPort. Where is the 10 gigabit port used for? It's generally not used to connect the terminal, like between device and device, such as switches and routers. They often use 10 gigabit ports to connect. Generally, a G interface is enough between the device and the terminal. Sometimes home routers use 100 meg ports, but it's rare now. Maybe you have seen export when doing experiments. It's called a serial interface. It was used in the early days for enterprise lease lines. Its meg are 1.544 meg. The enterprise lease line now use an 8 Ethernet interface, so the export is very rare in the project. The content we share today is over. If you have any problem, you can leave a message to me. And remember, subscribe my channel. See you again, everyone.